guys, it's Teacher Mireille, and I am going to make gack today, just in time for a rainy weekend. I thought it might be a good thing for you guys to try to do at home. So homemade gack is super easy. What you need is 4 ounces of glue. Elmer's glue will work. A half a cup of water, regular water. A 1/4 cup of hot water, which I have right here. A half teaspoon of borax, which I have right here. Borax is just like a cleaning compound. And a little bit of food coloring, and we're going to use purple today. So what you do is you mix the glue and the half a cup of water in a bowl. I'm going to mix that in together, and I'm going to grab a spoon. Okay, and I'm going to mix the glue and the water together. Okay, just mix it till it's fairly well mixed, and then just like that, then I'm going to add a little bit of the food coloring. Okay, decided to do purple. I'm going to do a couple of squirts. Okay, and that's what the kids can do. The kids can squirt in the purple and they can mix. Ooh, yeah. Turn in purple. Turn in purple. Okay. Then I am going to dissolve the borax into the hot water. So I'm going to pour the 1/4 cup of hot water in a little tiny bowl. I'm going to dissolve the borax into that until it's nice, all dissolved. You got to make sure it's really dissolved well. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, almost. I think it's dissolved. And then that's going to go into the mixture with the glue. So I'm going to add the borax water to the glue mixture, and I am going to mix that, and you'll see what happens. It's going to start kind of coagulating around the spoon. I think you guys can see that. It's going to start picking up. See? It's getting globby. It's getting globby. It's getting really globby. Hey? It's getting globby. And you keep mixing it, keep mixing it. Keep mixing it until the gack forms a blob all the way around your spoon. It's getting there. It's getting there. Gotta mix it a little bit more. I may not have gotten all the glue in. It's getting there. Okay. I'm going to use my fingers because I think that's going to work it a little bit better. So I'm going to use my hands. Ooh, feels really good. Feels really good. Feels kind of globby. And there's your gack. Now for little guys that are putting things in their mouth, probably not a great idea. I would make Play-Doh for them. But for the slightly older kids or little ones that aren't mouthing everything, this will give them hours and hours and hours of fun. At school, when we did this, we picked up I had found an old shoe, a shoe stand. And I'm going to bring something over in just a minute to show you what this can do. And with the shoe stand, the kids put the glob of gack on the top rung and then just kind of let it ooze down, and then with kids' scissors, they cut it. And they spent hours having fun doing this. So I think my gack is pretty much as solidified as it's going to get. I think so, right here. Okay. And yeah, nice and nice and gacky, nice and gacky. I'm gonna set this down for a second. Stay right there. This is what I mean by something that the kids can, this is just a rack. And what the gack does after a while, it starts to ooze through something. If you've got something that it can kind of go through, and it's super fun because it comes down into like little spaghetti noodles. And colored pasta is another good thing that you can do this weekend when it's raining. You can cook pasta, put a little bit of oil in it, and then put some food coloring in the water, and then run it under cold water, and it makes really fun cooked colored pasta that they can play with and hide dinosaurs and different little animals in. All fun things. Anything sensory, beans, rice, put out buckets of dry rice and dry beans for them with some measuring spoons and let them dig and pour and have fun. We had done lentils at Little Wonders one time in the sand tray. It was super fun. So anything like that is great for just keeping the kids busy when they're indoors. Do you see it start to come down? See it start to come down? And then if they have scissors, it's super fun. They can kind of cut at it. And you'll watch it in just another minute. It'll really come down a lot more. Yeah, zoom in. I'm just going to wash my hands. Watch it come down. It's dripping. Super fun, huh? What do you guys think? Super fun? So hopefully you can go ahead and make this sometime this weekend and have a good time with it. Bye, guys.